How to fix Gemini error 13, something went wrong. So if you are seeing this error 13 or something went wrong, something similar to that, there's a few reasons why this could happen. According to some guides, the error may reflect a temporary server-side issue, which is going to be on their end. At that point, you won't be able to do anything since, example, the server may have timed out while processing a request, especially large file uploads or heavy prompts or something like that. It could also stem from a corrupted chat session or context window when a thread becomes too long or complex for Gemini to handle. Certain operations may break. So at that point, you may have to start over with a new chat, since of course the memory might be too long and it won't allow Gemini to follow up with whatever's going on with the chat anymore. Local problems on your device as well. If it is from your device, you could clear your cache or reinstall the app. Since you know how to reinstall the app already, which is just in the Play Store, uninstall the app and just install it again, we could try clearing your cache as well. So just go ahead to your settings, go into your app. You could do this in the Gemini as well, I suppose, by deleting some of the chats. This should free up some memory and whatnot. But if you don't want to do that, maybe you want to save those, depends on you, but just go ahead into your apps and then search for Gemini itself. You could search for it or scroll down for it if you want, but in Gemini, just go ahead and press on the clear all data in the bottom right corner, and then just press on OK. All app data, including files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache, will be permanently deleted. So make sure you want to do this as well. So if you're using a non-personal Google account or an account restricted by Google Workspace policies, this may block access to Gemini as well. So those are a few options you can try, and of course your network as well. Make sure your network is good and stable. You could switch to different networks and then see if that's a problem. You could go to different platforms like YouTube to see if you're lagging from there. If you are, then maybe your internet connection is the problem and you're gonna have to fix that. You could try using your mobile data if you have that, but just make sure your network connection is fixed to clear that problem as well. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.